Technology that acquires data that helps the understanding of the reservoir will impact all of the themes that the OGTC is working on. Asset integrity, marginal developments, wells, decommissioning, digital transformation, but probably most suitable for our technology is the subsurface theme. We have discussed the technology with the Oil and Gas Authority, which has shown considerable interest as they need the data to help them do their job as a regulator. At last year's Seismic 2018 event, which was sponsored by the Oil and Gas Authority, Shell presented a paper on decommissioning, the use of geophysical data for decommissioning, which is shown here, and BP presented a paper which showed how the improved seismic data quality from putting receivers on the seabed led to the development of the Arundel field, which had been discovered in 2000, but only proceeded to development following the seismic acquisition survey in 2010. Our product will greatly impact customers. As mentioned, it will provide oil and gas company experts and the Oil and Gas Authority with the critical seismic data they need to improve the recovery of the UK's oil and gas. It will improve decision making, real-time decision making, to optimise production of oil and gas and minimise water. It will reduce the safety risk, reduce the environmental risk, and reduce the risk to the reputation of the industry. It will also reduce NGOs' concerns that can sometimes prohibit seismic operations. We see our technology having a very bright future post-TechX. It will inform the Oil and Gas Authority on the true remaining oil and gas price. Is it 500 billion or is it $1 trillion? There will be major benefits to the UK taxpayer if we can produce even a small portion of this additional oil, and it will produce longer term growth for the economy of North East Scotland. We hope to transition into the subsurface solution centre if we're successful with our TechX proposal. As an example of the sums of money involved, consider the development of Johan Sverdrup, which will use seismic reservoir monitoring to achieve a 70% recovery factor. This will translate into 80 billion of corporation tax for the Norwegian government, 160 billion in production revenues, and jobs for 40 years. Furthermore, our source also has applications for land seismic in the UK.